Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change page or slide orientation in Google Slides. So for example, we have here a presentation with two slides. If we want to change the page orientation of the slides, we need to select all of them. So I go to Edit and I select here this one option, Select All. Alternatively, you can use shortcut Ctrl-A to do it. After that, all slides will be selected. So now we can go to File and we can go to Page Setup. Here on default, page setup is set to widescreen, so of course we need to change it to another one option, so I click on it and here I select custom. Now I recommend you to copy this value, so I click right mouse button here and I click copy. After that, I type here this value, so I type here 40th.29. Then I delete this value and I need to click right mouse button here and click paste. So we moved this value here and this value here. Now I need to click apply button and how you see page orientation has been successfully changed. Of course, now you need to adjust element size and we need to do it manually because there is not the another option here to do it automatically. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.